Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On this channel I share easy homemade meals, kitchen tips and simple cooking ideas. If this is your first time here, you are very welcome. This channel is all about easy homemade meals, kitchen experiments, cooking tips, simple healthy recipes and fun food ideas you can try right at home. Today we're doing something exciting, a little messy, and honestly a little adventurous. Today we're making fresh pasta completely from scratch without using a pasta machine. Yes, no sophisticated equipment. Just simple ingredients, my hands and a rolling pin. Now, if you've watched some of my earlier videos, you might remember that I already made pasta using a pasta machine before. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can definitely check it out later on the channel. But today, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to experiment in the kitchen, get my hands dirty and see what happens when we go back to the traditional way of making pasta. Sometimes cooking is not just about following recipes. Sometimes it's about exploring, learning and enjoying the process. So stay with me until the end of this video so we can see how this experiment turns out. You know, cooking from scratch has something very special about it. In today's world, most foods come packaged, processed, and ready to eat. And while convenience is helpful sometimes, there is something deeply satisfying about making food with your own hands. When you cook from scratch, you know exactly what goes into your food. You control the ingredients, you control the flavor, and most importantly, you connect with the process. It reminds us that good food doesn't have to be complicated. We need the dough, pressing, folding, turning, repeating. This part takes patience, but kneading helps the dough become smooth and strong. What I love about pasta is how simple it is. Just a few ingredients, flour, eggs, maybe a little salt, and that's optional. Isn't that amazing? Something people all over the world enjoy made from just a few basic ingredients. Sometimes we think we need a lot of things to create something good, but that's not always true. Sometimes simplicity is the real secret. Simple ingredients, simple methods, and a little creativity. It may look a little messy at first, but it's okay. Cooking is not always perfect. Sometimes the kitchen becomes a little chaotic before things come together. And honestly, that's part of the beauty of it. You start with separate ingredients, then slowly they begin to transform. Flour becomes dough, and dough becomes pasta. It's like watching a small wonder happen right in your kitchen. Now we cut the pasta into stripes. I'll tell you a story. There was once a young man who wanted to become a great chef, but he didn't have expensive tools. He didn't have a fancy kitchen. All he had was a small stove and a few basic ingredients. Many people told him he needed better equipment to succeed, but instead of giving up, he decided to focus on what he had. He practiced every day, cooking simple meals, experimenting, learning from mistakes. A year later, he became known for his amazing food, not because he had the best equipment, but because he understood something important. Skill matters more than tools. And that lesson applies to life too. Sometimes we think we cannot start something because we don't have the perfect conditions. But the truth is, you can start with what you have and grow from there. That's exactly what we're doing today in this kitchen. No fancy machines, just hands, patience, and curiosity. And it reminds me that growth often comes through effort. The more you work at something, the better it becomes, just like this dough. At first, it's rough, but slowly it becomes soft, smooth, and ready. Now comes the real challenge: rolling the pasta without a machine. If you have a pasta machine, this step becomes easier. But today we are doing it the traditional way, and honestly, this is where the real experiment happens. Will it be perfect? Maybe not. But cooking is not always about perfection. Sometimes it's about learning and enjoying the journey. And look at that. From just flour and eggs, we now have fresh homemade pasta. That transformation never gets old. It always feels interesting. Now we cook the pasta. Fresh pasta cooks quickly. And this is the moment of truth. After all the mixing, kneading, and rolling, we finally get to see the result of our experiment. And there we have it. Fresh homemade pasta completely by hand. No fancy equipment. Just simple ingredients and a little patience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share and comment below. Tell me in the comments, would you try making pasta without pasta machine? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade meals, kitchen experiments, cooking tips, and simple healthy recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, sometimes the best things in life come from simple ingredients and the courage to try something new. Kindly like this video if you've learned something, share it with someone who loves cooking, and subscribe to the channel for more easy homemade recipes and kitchen inspiration. Sometimes the best meals are made with just a few simple ingredients, and pasta is one of those foods. Just flour, eggs, and a little patience, and suddenly you have something delicious. And this is where I get to ask you, what recipe should we try next? See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.